Well, good afternoon. We're out here at new Melones Lake today on the good old kayak. Fun fact, I've had this kayak for like, I don't know, 10, 12 years and it's still floating. Talk about well made. It's just like a little Ascend brand kayak from Bass Pro, but the thing is bulletproof. Anyway, we're out here at New Melones today on the kayak. It's hot. It's like maybe probably under 100 degrees or something like that. I just wanted to come out for a little paddle workout sesh and some fishing. So I didn't bring too many rods. I just brought the good old trusty Ugly Stick, my favorite rod, and then a bait caster. On the Ugly Stick, I got the little micro jig, the hookup baits tied on there. Already caught 3 fish on that. Haven't caught any fish on anything else. I've been throwing a jerk bait and a little like inline spinner. No luck. So we'll keep fishing this and see what happens. First fish of the day. Caught it on the little hookup bait jig. I had been fishing a jerk bait and a little spinner this morning and hadn't catch anything. So we'll fish this hookup bait for a little longer and see if we can't get any more. Holy Hannah, it looks like they want that hookup bait today. This guy swallowed it. I don't know if you can see that. Jeez Louise. Frackin'. Second bass of the day. Just little ones. But you know me. Bigger spall. I'll catch them all. Got another little guy on the hookup bait. The last 2 are largemouth. This guy's a spot. Maybe he's a largemouth too. Maybe he's a hybrid. He's definitely a little bit bigger. It's not a bad one right there, little guy. Real healthy fish. It's nice to see. So I got one on. I switched up to a little crankbait. Tried to hook me. Hello, guy. On the crankbait. On this guy. Fun fact. I got that crankbait tattooed on me because I liked it so much and it caught so many fish. On the crankbait, don't really want to get hooked. Looks like he's gonna try to hook me. Oh, there he goes. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ah. Micros. Tight. We're only gonna fish for a little bit longer and then we're gonna head back It is getting hot out here. Caught another little guy on the crankbait. This crankbait is awesome. It's super small, so it's like a finesse crankbait, but dude, it gets bit. Been hooked one too many times. There he is, just a little guy, a little micro, but it's all good. We are out here having fun, getting a little workout, getting some sun. Just a great day. Absolutely great day. It's pretty quiet out on the lake today for it being the Friday before Labor Day. I'm sure tomorrow will be super busy out. I am currently the only car at the little parking spot right now. There were a couple cars here this morning when I pulled in, but everybody left. I wonder how hot it is. Let's see. 96 degrees out right now. Probably about right. It's not that hot, but it's definitely warm. Well, that's it for today. Had a really good day out here today. It was really nice. Quiet, pretty out. I didn't catch anything big, but I got like, I don't know, 3 or 4 fish. Caught a couple on that little crankbait, and then I caught a couple on the little hookup bait, the micro jig. And all the fish came on the good old ugly stick. This thing is just so rad. It's just so good at catching fish. It's a little 6-foot medium action. Definitely gets the job done. This was my wife Bailey's fishing pole that we bought for her, oh my gosh, I don't know, 8-10 years ago at Bass Pro, and I had to change the reel out, but the rod's still good, and it's just a real fun little light rod to fish. Yeah, super cool. So yeah, overall good day, caught a few, ready to go home and eat some food.